Finishing a workout and not having a meal ready to go right away sucks. Everyone loves to finish a workout knowing there's a tasty dish prepared and waiting. In reality, not having a meal or two prepared in advance can be a problem regardless of your fitness life. What if you got home from work or simply woke up in the morning and thought, "Damn, what am I going to eat?" Not thinking in advance when it comes to meal preparation can lead to several issues such as skipping meals, eating unhealthy snacks, having late dinner, and so on. If you're looking to change your body, gain muscle, or lose weight, you'll have to step up your meal prepping game. We're here to provide you with some practical ideas you can implement in your everyday life in order to optimize your nutritional plan. With that being said, let's get started. Hi, and welcome to Alpha Territory. We're a packed community and we strive to provide you with the most accurate resources so you can push farther and achieve any fitness goal. Organization methods. When it comes to organizing your dishes, there are a few methods we'd like to go over. They are very simple and you've probably heard about some of them before. However, we'll cover them here in detail so you can start organizing your meals like a pro. One-day method. As the heading suggests, the one-day method got its name because you make all of your meals in one day and you don't have to worry about the rest of the week. For example, you take Monday as your meal prep day and you make enough food for the whole week. Simple as that. Make sure you set aside enough time on the meal prep day because you'll definitely need it. Making so many meals at once will take a lot of time. There's one catch when it comes to this method. This method will leave you a bit dry when it comes to food choice since not a lot of foods can stay fresh and consumable for such a long time. Keep that in mind as this might be a turndown for a few. The 3-day method. This method pretty much is the cream of the crop when it comes to prepping. You have to prep food every third day of the week. You have a slightly wider range of foods to choose from and you don't have to exhaust yourself as much when you start cooking since it's not that many meals that you have to think of. The day-to-day method. The last of the methods is probably the easiest one and the most popular. You prepare your meals one day in advance. It's a great choice if you're picky when it comes to your food and if you've got some free time on your hands. Although, it's not so interesting for those who hate spending time in the kitchen every day. Preparation methods. Just like it is with organizing, there are 3 typical methods when it comes to preparation too. Here they are. Batch cooking. You make a huge batch of your favorite meal and then keep it in the fridge or freezer. Whenever you feel your stomach tingling, you just open up the juicy cooking pot and have a dip of your delicious recipe. Individual meals. Every meal for itself. Pretty much ordinary meal preparation where you prepare your meal just like you would when you want to eat something for lunch or dinner and have that stored in a container. All of your ingredients are in one place, ready to go. Prepared ingredients. This one suggests you do a lot of cutting, chopping, slicing at one instant. And then later you just mix your favorite flavors up when you feel like it. Foods to consider. We also want to provide you with some ideas when it comes to food choices. We hope these will give you some ideas as to what you could prepare and store in order to have the best food ready and waiting. The list is quite lengthy, so brace yourself. Frozen fruits and vegetables. Frozen fruits and veggies are a real savior when it comes to storing food. The majority of the frozen food that you can buy in a market can be stored in a freezer for months and months to come. Some of the food that is usually stored in a freezer for longer periods are peas, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, green beans, cherries, strawberries, and pineapples. However, you can find other types of frozen fruits and vegetables, or you can freeze some of them yourself. Just remember to always check how long your favorite food can last once in the freezer. Starchy vegetables. Starchy veggies are quite common these days, and any fitness lover knows just how useful they can be. Try using some of these when you prep your next batch of delicious cooking. We recommend parsnip, cassava, yucca, potato, taro, sweet potato, canned pumpkin. Stiff, fresh vegetables. Of course, nothing beats nice, fresh food, right? From celery, carrots, and bell peppers to cabbage and radish, these are all great for making easy-to-store salads. Make sure to grab some of these next time you're at the grocery store. Whole grains. Whole grains are great for storing. Overnight oats, anybody? Besides oats, you can also try quinoa, barley, buckwheat, and sorghum. Plant-based protein. Plenty of people want some extra protein that isn't meat-based. No meat? No problem. You can always grab some chickpeas, lentils, beans, or peas. These will surely spike up your protein intake. Other protein options. Plenty of meat can be neatly stored and kept in a fridge or freezer. We recommend chicken, turkey, beef, pork, frozen or canned seafood, such as tuna. But you can also use eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, shredded cheese, and tofu. These are all known for being kept in a cool place. Fruits. One of the easiest to-go meals you can have is fruits. Whether you decide to make a fruit salad or simply decide to grab a fresh piece of fruit, it doesn't matter. The result will be the same. Simple, quick, and healthy meal. Think apples, bananas, oranges, plums, peaches, pears, and lastly, any type of berries are always welcome. Nuts and seeds. In the end, we have to mention nuts and seeds. High amounts of healthy fats, protein, and vitamins are always useful. We recommend almonds, walnuts, peanuts, pumpkin seeds, chia, flax, and pistachios. Conclusion. The organization, preparation, and foods that you will find suitable depend mostly on your personal timetable. You'll want to implement one of the techniques into your lifestyle according to your free time and taste. Everyone has a different liking, so it doesn't mean that every method of organization or preparation will fit every person. If you find yourself flexible and open, feel free to try all of them and see what works best for you. After this video, you will never find yourself starving and at a loss of time just because you didn't think a bit ahead. Be smart today so you don't have to worry about tomorrow. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, feel free to subscribe and check our website on the description to learn more about our mission and vision. More than just subscribers, we're creating a packed community. We'll see you again soon for our next video. Be bold and stay alpha.